Hello students, today I am going to take up chapter 3 of SST, Know Our Country. India is a beautiful country. It is located in the southern part of Asia. Its length from north to south is about 3,200 kilometers, while breadth from east to west is about 3,000 kilometers. It is the seventh largest country in the world, which has the second largest population in the world. The population of India is about 130 crores. India forms a large part of Asian continent. It is bounded in the north by the Great Himalayas. It is surrounded by three water bodies: the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. The Indian Ocean is named after our country. The landform, which is surrounded by water on its three sides, is known as a peninsula. Thus, the southern part of India is a peninsula. India shares its land boundaries with seven countries. China, Nepal, and Bhutan are to her north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east, Pakistan and Afghanistan in the west, and in the south lie Sri Lanka and Maldives. India is a country of diverse landforms, which can be divided into six physical divisions. The world famous snowy mountains of the Great Himalayas are located in the north. Right next to the northern mountains are the northern plains. These plains are very fertile and are irrigated by the rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna, and the Brahmaputra. These rivers flow down from the Himalayas. In the west lies the great Indian desert, the hot and the dry region. It forms a natural boundary between India and its neighbor Pakistan. The Deccan Plateau, located in the southern part of the country. The coastal plains of India surround the Deccan Plateau on both the eastern and the western sides. The Andaman and the Nicobar group of islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep group of islands in the Arabian Sea are also a part of India. The features of India makes it a very vast country. The people living in India belong to different ethnic groups and speak different languages. Due to the vastness of the country, it has been divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. India is the world's largest democracy, and its citizens come together and elect their own government. There are two levels of the government: the central government and the state government. The central government administers the entire country, while the state government governs the state. While the union territories are directly governed by the central government.